Let's look at two problems of percentage profit. So the first question goes like this. A grocer buys 30 boxes of strawberries at 5.25. So that's something 30 boxes at 5.25 each and sells 28 of them at a profit of 30%. So one thing we have to understand here is this 30% is for per box, okay? So now if you want to calculate it, so it'll be 5.25 times 1.3 because it is 30% and you need to add it together, so that will be 6.825 euro. So this is the selling price per box. Okay, and then the total selling price will be since it is 28, so 28 into 6.825, that will be 191.10 euro. Okay, and what is the cost price? Cost price is 30. Since there are 30 boxes, it is 30 times 5.25, which will be equal to 157.50. So we have the cost price here, we have the selling price here. So what is the profit? So profit is 191.10 minus 157.50, which is equal to 33.60. And how will you find the percentage profit? So you have the formula, percentage profit is equal to profit over cost price, profit over cost price times 100. So here in this case, that is equal to what is profit? So 33.60 divided by what is the cost price? 157.50, sorry, 50 times 100, and that is equal to 21.33%. Okay. Now moving on to the second question. Just read the question. Kellogg's cornflakes are sold in standard packet of 500 gram for 240. During a promotion, the quantity in a pack is increased by 20%, but the price remains the same. Calculate the percentage reduction in the price per kilogram. So when you read the question, if you find any important point, you have to underline because they're asking per kilogram, but the quantities are given in grams. Okay, so you have to always remember that there is a conversion which is applicable here. So now let's do this question. So 500 gram cost 240 euro. So 1 gram will cost how much? 240 over 500, right? Sorry, 240. Oh, I'm sorry. So 500 gram cost. Sorry about that. 500 gram cost 240 euro. So 1 gram will cost 240 over 500 euro. Okay. Now that is for 1 gram. So what is 1 kg? How much will be 1 kg cost? So 240 over 500 times 1000. Okay. So that conversion is very important. And you will get 480 euro. Now, when it is in the promotion time, what is happening? It is increased by 20%. What is increased? The quantity of the pack is increased by 20%. So which means that 500, this is increased by 20%. So what you do is you find the increased percentage here. So it is 500 times 20 over 100, which will be equal to, so I just cancel here, it is 100. So the weight now is 500 plus 100, that will be 600. Okay. So 600 gram cost 2.40. So in this case, 1 gram will cost 2.40 divided by 600, and 1 kg will cost 240 over 600 times 1000. Okay, that will be 4 euro. Okay, so in the initial one it is 480, and with promotion it is 4 euro. So what is the reduction in price? So reduction is 480 minus 4, which is equal to 0.80. And what is the percentage reduction? So they have asked percentage reduction is equal to percentage reduction over cost price. So cost price is 4.80 times 100, and that you will get as 16 and 2 over 3 percentage.